Hi, RC Addicts here. I'm going out tonight to try and get high with this bad boy and also these. Keeping to the rules, flying over no houses. Let's see how high we can go. Flashing red, green, I think just flashing white like a plane.
Just dance and move your body. Just dance and move your body.
Let this be a warning. I know this area like the back of my hand. I knew my orientation. I wasn't flying over any people, anything. The drone was as big as my hand. Yeah, it's 3.5 inch drone. I lost telemetry, and even though with a strobe on it, I've been walking around for hours, yeah, hours and hours, and the difference is I've done a night flight in, when I fly my other drones, I think it's about a 300 meter circumference, but when I fly my other drone in this bit and the other one, the larger one, the diatone, the GPS, you know, I don't, you know, I don't go. I know, you know, I know I wasn't above anything, and still I cannot find that drone anywhere. Yeah, I can't see. You think every light is a beeper going off. You think every reflection from a car. I'm freezing, but you know, I'm really, you know, you guys know how much effort goes into programming, you know, setting up the drone. It's not you know, it's not a DJI drone that you but you know, these are professional bits of kit, yeah. So this is a warning, yeah, a warning. Because I don't want to do this again. No more night flights. Not, you know. Cheers, RC Addict.